Imagine an aircraft that can take off from the deck of an aircraft carrier, hover like a helicopter, and then soar through the skies at supersonic speeds, deploying precision-guided munitions with pinpoint accuracy. The F-35B Lightning II is not just any fighter. It's the embodiment of cutting-edge military technology designed to dominate the modern battlefield. Combining stealth, speed, and unmatched versatility, the F-35B transforms the way air power is projected across the globe. From its vertical takeoff and landing capabilities to its advanced sensors and weapon systems, the F-35B is a marvel of engineering that seamlessly integrates into air, sea, and land operations. It's a fighter that doesn't just operate in the skies, it controls the battlefield below, above, and beyond. Today we explore what makes the F-35B a revolutionary platform, why it has rivals on edge, and how it could shape the future of military aviation. The F-35B's journey begins in the 1990s, a time when the United States Department of Defense recognized the need for a next-generation fighter capable of fulfilling multiple roles across various branches of the military. The idea was to create a family of aircraft that could replace aging platforms like the AV-8B Harrier, F/A-18 Hornet, and the A-10 Warthog, while also incorporating state-of-the-art technology that would keep America ahead of its adversaries well into the 21st century. This vision led to the Joint Strike Fighter, JSF program, a collaborative effort between Lockheed Martin, Boeing, and other defense contractors competing to design an aircraft that could deliver on versatility, stealth, and power. The concept was ambitious, one aircraft with 3 variants tailored to meet the needs of the U.S. Air Force, Navy, and Marine Corps. Lockheed Martin's proposal ultimately won the contract in 2001 with its X-35 design, which would evolve into the F-35 series we know today. Among these variants, the F-35B was perhaps the most challenging to develop, as it required the unique ability to perform short takeoffs and vertical landings, similar to the AV-8B Harrier, but with a modern twist, combining this capability with supersonic speed and stealth technology. The development of the F-35B faced several engineering challenges. Integrating a vertical takeoff system without compromising speed and stealth was a formidable task. Engineers incorporated a revolutionary lift fan system designed by Rolls-Royce, coupled with a swiveling rear exhaust nozzle that would allow the aircraft to hover and land vertically. This innovative technology overcame the limitations of the Harrier's outdated design, which lacked the stealth capabilities and advanced avionics required for modern warfare. Significant figures in defense, such as Secretary of Defense Donald Rumsfeld and senior leaders within the Marine Corps, were instrumental in pushing the F-35B forward. They recognized that for the Marine Corps in particular, the ability to operate from amphibious assault ships and remote airstrips would be a game-changer. Lockheed Martin's Skunk Works division, known for its history of developing iconic stealth platforms like the F-117 Nighthawk, played a pivotal role in integrating these technologies while ensuring that the aircraft would meet the strict performance benchmarks set by the Pentagon. The result was a fighter jet that embodied flexibility and power, an aircraft capable of operating from virtually any environment, from the decks of naval ships to rugged forward operating bases. The F-35B represents a significant leap forward from the Harrier's capabilities, offering enhanced survivability and superior combat performance that are critical in today's rapidly evolving threat landscape. The F-35B is not just an upgrade, it's a technological overhaul. The aircraft's defining feature is its STOVL capability, achieved through an innovative propulsion system. The F-35B's Pratt & Whitney F-135 engine is the most powerful fighter engine in the world, generating up to 43,000 pounds of thrust. To achieve vertical lift, the engine works in tandem with the Rolls-Royce lift fan located behind the cockpit. This lift fan is powered by the main engine and provides the vertical thrust needed for short takeoffs and vertical landings. The system also includes a rotating rear exhaust nozzle that can swivel downwards, allowing the jet to hover like a helicopter. But the F-35B's advancements don't end with its propulsion system. The aircraft's stealth capabilities are unmatched. Designed to evade the most sophisticated enemy radar systems, the jet's shape, built with radar-absorbent materials and advanced surface coatings, reduces its radar cross-section to make it nearly invisible to enemy detection systems. This stealth technology is further complemented by its distributed aperture system, DAS, a series of sensors that provide the pilot with a 360-degree view of the battlefield, detecting threats from every angle and giving the F-35B a significant situational awareness advantage. Another key component of the F-35B's technological superiority is its AN/APG-81 active electronically scanned array radar. This radar system can detect, track, and engage targets at great distances, while also serving as a sophisticated electronic warfare tool capable of jamming enemy radars and providing critical intelligence. Unlike traditional radars that rely on mechanical movement, the AESA radar uses electronic steering to track multiple targets simultaneously, enhancing the F-35B's ability to operate in contested airspace and maintain dominance. The aircraft is also equipped with an advanced avionics suite that integrates data from multiple sources into a single, intuitive display for the pilot. This system, known as the sensor fusion, gathers information from the jet's radar, electronic warfare systems, and infrared sensors, combining it into a cohesive picture of the combat environment. This fusion capability gives the pilot the information needed to make split-second decisions, significantly enhancing the aircraft's combat effectiveness and survivability. To extend its operational range, the F-35B incorporates advanced fuel management systems and a modular design that allows it to be equipped with external fuel tanks or aerial refueling capabilities. These features ensure that the F-35B remains effective in prolonged combat situations and can project power over great distances, whether it's in support of naval operations or rapid deployment in remote theaters. When we compare the F-35B to other aircraft, both past and present, it becomes evident why it's a cornerstone of modern military strategy. In contrast to legacy fighters like the AV-8B Harrier, which relied on outdated vertical landing technology and lacked stealth, the F-35B offers a comprehensive package of speed, stealth, and multi-role functionality. The Harrier, while groundbreaking in its time, struggled with limited range, payload, and survivability. The F-35B corrects these shortcomings, providing a jet that is as effective in stealth missions as it is in air-to-air combat and close air support. In the broader context of fifth-generation aircraft, the F-35B complements other fighters like the F-22 Raptor and the F-35A and C variants. While the F-22 remains the dominant air superiority fighter with unmatched maneuverability and speed, the F-35B excels in flexibility, allowing it to perform in scenarios where no other fifth-generation aircraft can operate. Its ability to deploy from short runways and amphibious ships makes it indispensable for naval operations, supporting Marine Corps expeditionary units and forward operating bases that traditional jets cannot access. The F-35B's adaptability ensures it fits seamlessly into the U.S. military's global strategy. By combining its stealth capabilities with advanced sensor systems and multi-role functionality, the F-35B provides a critical link between air, land, and sea operations. In an environment where threats evolve rapidly and where both peer and near-peer competitors are advancing their own fighter technology, the F-35B offers an advantage that few adversaries can match. It serves not only as a strike platform, but also as a force multiplier, amplifying the effectiveness of other assets within a fleet. This integration extends beyond U.S. forces. The F-35 program is an international partnership, with allies such as the United Kingdom, Japan, and Italy acquiring the F-35B variant for their naval and expeditionary forces. This broad deployment ensures that the F-35B isn't just a national asset, but a global tool for maintaining stability and projecting power, ensuring that allied forces can operate together effectively in any environment. The F-35B's advanced capabilities present a direct challenge to America's rivals, particularly in contested regions like the South China Sea and Eastern Europe. China and Russia have invested heavily in their own next-generation platforms, such as the Chinese J-20 and the Russian Su-57, but the F-35B's unique combination of stealth, vertical takeoff, and electronic warfare capabilities creates a significant tactical advantage. The F-35B's AESA radar and electronic warfare suite can detect, track, and engage enemy aircraft long before they are within firing range, allowing the jet to strike first and evade enemy retaliation. The F-35B's ability to operate from remote airstrips or amphibious ships gives the U.S. military an edge in projecting power in contested areas. For example, in the South China Sea, the presence of F-35Bs on U.S. Navy and Allied ships ensures that America can maintain a forward presence without relying on large aircraft carriers, which are vulnerable to Chinese anti-ship missiles. In Eastern Europe, The F-35B's short takeoff and landing capabilities allow it to be deployed closer to potential hotspots, reducing response times and increasing operational flexibility. Russia's S-400 air defense systems and China's HQ-9 missiles are formidable threats, but the F-35B's stealth design and electronic countermeasures significantly reduce the effectiveness of these systems. By the time adversaries detect an F-35B, it is often too late, as the aircraft's long-range missile capabilities can strike from outside enemy detection ranges. This gives the U.S. and its allies a critical edge, making it difficult for rivals to control contested airspace or sea lanes without risking significant losses. The F-35B's weapons loadout is tailored to maximize its versatility and combat effectiveness. It can carry a wide range of air-to-air and air-to-ground munitions, including the AIM-120 AMRAAM for long-range air-to-air engagements and the AIM-9X Sidewinder for close-in dogfights. The aircraft's internal weapons bays allow it to carry these missiles while maintaining its stealth profile, essential for first-strike missions where radar visibility is a critical factor. For ground attacks, the F-35B is equipped with precision-guided bombs, such as the GBU-12, Paveway 2, and the GBU-31 Joint Direct Attack Munition, JDAM. These weapons allow the jet to target and eliminate fortified positions, enemy convoys, and critical infrastructure with pinpoint accuracy. Additionally, the F-35B can deploy the AGM-158 Joint Air-to-Surface Standoff Missile, JASSM, a long-range, precision-guided weapon capable of striking high-value targets from beyond the reach of enemy air defenses. The F-35B also has an integrated 25mm GAU-22/A 4-barrel rotary cannon for close air support missions, providing firepower that is essential in supporting ground troops during intense combat situations. The aircraft's design allows it to switch from air-to-air to air-to-ground configurations seamlessly, giving it the flexibility to engage in various combat scenarios without returning to base for reconfiguration. With an operational range of over 900 nautical miles and the ability to refuel mid-air, the F-35B can conduct deep strikes and long-range missions, enhancing its reach and effectiveness in critical operations. Whether operating from the deck of a naval ship or an austere forward base, the F-35B's adaptability ensures that it remains a formidable tool in the U.S. and allied military arsenals. The F-35B's production has been a multinational effort, involving partners like the United Kingdom, Italy, and Japan. Lockheed Martin, in collaboration with these international partners, has built a supply chain that spans multiple countries, ensuring that the aircraft can be produced efficiently and delivered to allied forces around the globe. As of 2024, over 200 F-35B units have been delivered, with additional units planned for the U.S. Marine Corps, the British Royal Navy, and other allied navies, ensuring that a robust fleet is available for rapid deployment in multiple theaters. The aircraft's initial operating capability, IOC, was declared in 2015, and since then, it has seen action in various exercises and operations, demonstrating its ability to integrate into complex missions. The Marine Corps has deployed the F-35B aboard amphibious assault ships, proving its capability to operate effectively from smaller decks, a critical requirement for the U.S. Navy's Lightning carrier concept. These deployments have confirmed the aircraft's role as a force multiplier, enhancing the effectiveness of U.S. and allied operations in strategic regions. Looking ahead, the F-35B is expected to remain a key component of America's air power strategy through the 2040s and beyond. As sixth-generation fighters and unmanned systems begin to emerge, the F-35B's modular design and software-based upgrades will allow it to integrate seamlessly with these next-generation platforms. This adaptability ensures that the F-35B can continue to evolve, incorporating new technologies such as directed energy weapons, advanced artificial intelligence, AI systems, and enhanced networking capabilities. So what do you think? Is the F-35B the ultimate tool for modern warfare, or is it just the beginning of a new era in fighter technology? Do you believe it will remain a cornerstone of America's military dominance, or will new aircraft surpass its capabilities in the coming years? We want to hear your thoughts. Let us know in the comments below. Do you think the F-35B's cutting-edge technology justifies its price tag, or should the U.S. and its allies invest in even more advanced systems? If you enjoyed this deep dive into the F-35B and its game-changing capabilities, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more content on the future of military technology and defense strategy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.